Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy you're here, and if you're watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to like this video. It will go a long way in helping this channel grow. Thank you so much as you do so. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create custom fields in Brevo. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Brevo account if you do not have one, and you want to come over here to contact, and you want to click on the settings, and you want to go to contact attributes. So you can also create company attributes if you want, but I want to create contact attributes for this video. So when you click on contact attributes, then you are going to see the options where you can add a normal attribute, a transactional attribute, and a calculated value. So the calculated value is just checking for you can create calculated fields like the number of orders, like the sum of all the orders a particular contact has ordered, and yeah, it's just like calculating all of those fields for you. But the transactional attributes is like creating fields for when an order is coming in from your website, like the type ID, the transactional amount, and all of those stuff. Then the normal attributes is creating the normal fields that you use in your day-to-day activities, like the first name, the last name, the zip code, the city, the lead status, and all of those stuff. So let's create normal attributes, and in another video I'm going to go extensively on how to create transactional and calculated value. So you go to normal attributes, and as you can see, we have all of this fields already. But if you want to create a new one, you click on add new attributes, and you can name the new attributes you want to add, and you can pick whether it is text. If it is text, that is just going to show the normal text, and people can type in sentences, paragraph, and all of those stuff. Then if you pick on dates, then that means people can choose whatever date. So for instance, their birthday date, their deadline dates, and all of those stuff. If you pick on number, then they can pick the phone numbers, and other number category you may want to use. If they pick on category, then that means you are telling them to pick from the various options that you have, and when they can only pick one of those options. And if you pick multiple choice, you are telling them that they can pick more than one choice in that particular field. And if you click on the boolean, you're saying is it a true or false. Yeah, that's what the boolean means. And if you pick user, you are telling the system to pick a particular user for that particular field. So let's say something like the salesperson for this particular contact. So for the text, if you pick the text, for instance, you can pick let's say you want to create something like what is your experience, and you can ask them this question, then that they can be able to type in a text value, so you can create that attribute. Okay, so one thing to note is it is not going to allow you save it this way. You can only add an underscore between each of your texts before you can be able to save this. I know that's kind of weird, but yeah, that's their rule. So that means you cannot use the space bar, you can only use the underscore value or the underscore character to segment each of the words for the name. So I'm not supposed to have any space in between each text. Then you click on create attributes, then you can be able to create. So the error code was showing because we cannot use the space bar. Yeah, that is exactly what it's saying. Then that is for the text. You can create another one for birthdays. So let's say birthdays is going to be a date field, and you can click on create attributes. Then I have this particular leads over here, and I want to create the lead status and the lead source. So for the lead status, we can only have one option, and for the lead source also we can only have one option. I'm going to show you how to use one of them for category and the other one for multiple choice. So let's say we want to create lead status. So we have our lead status, and it is going to be a category field. So I have these options here. I have open, in progress, and unqualified. So after picking all of these, I can click on create. So remember that we are picking the category option and not the multiple choice. So people can only pick, we can only pick one of this lead status. So you click on create attributes. So when you click on create attributes, the lead source have been created. Now for the multiple choice, that means we are saying that they can pick more than one option, and we can use that for the lead source. So I have multiple options for the lead source, and actually it's supposed to be a category option, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's make it a multiple choice option. So I am going to pick the multiple choice, and let me just copy all of these, then I click on add. So let's pick website, let's put it there. Okay, so I have added all of my lead sources, and I have 11 lead sources, and as you can see, I am picking multiple choice for this. Yeah, so that means they can be able to pick, we can be able to pick more than one lead source. So after creating that, after adding all of those options, you want to click on create attributes. When you click on create attributes, the next field, the lead source, has been created. You can also make this, click on the settings there button, and you can edit this if you want. You can also change some things, cancel off the different ones you do not want, and you can create update. You can click on update attributes, and that is how to create different fields in your Brevo account. So please do not forget to like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel to get amazing videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.